So hello friends, have you ever noticed that there's a water in your basement in your utility room? Now it could be coming across from a condenser pump. Now today I'm going to demonstrate you how to fix or replace a condenser pump. Now what is a condenser pump? Condenser pump basically takes the moisture out of your AC units and fill it in the bottom back part, and through this pipe it goes up and out through your house. Now the one thing that you need is that first of all you must switch off the condenser pump. It's like a normal pump, there will be a wire connected to it. Just unplug it. I have unplugged it. Now then you will see a pipe, the pipe that takes the water out. Just push it up and drain it out. If you see, I've drained out all the dirt from here. Then you will see two pipes, or as many pipes that your AC unit have, will be plugged into this one. Just unscrew it from here, unscrew it, loosen them up, and then you push it up and then you will come it out. Now once you get this whole piece out, now what you need to do here is that you will see a small tab here. You just push it here, and then you will see, oh my goodness, so much dirt. Now either you can clean it up and test it out whether it's working by internally, but you see so much musk is there. It's better to replace it, or you clean it up and then put it back here, and that's why your water won't come out. Now it's very important here that it's to correct it out, because if the water comes out you will be very confused whether it's coming from which source here. So this is the easy replacement. No need to get a plumber as such, you can easily do it yourself. Do let me know if you have any problems. As of now mine is this black one. I was wondering how do I open the black part. Then I saw that I see a small tab here. You see here, I just click like this one and it opened like this. See, like this. So I'm going to clean it up, I'm going to fix it. If it doesn't get fixed, I'm going to replace it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Okay, so friends, after cleaning it up, you make sure it's empty here, and you don't connect this to the main line first. Make sure you connect these water, which is the pipes which are coming from the AC units, into the hole, respective holes. For the first one, if you can see, I'm going to gently lift it and I'm going to put it inside this one. Make sure you don't put it too much pressure, otherwise it might break it. So you have to be gentle here. So, and then once you put this and this here, you put it here, and after that you should be all set. Then I'll put the wire, and then you should be all set. So let me start the process, and then I will show you the next step. Now you can see I'm going to put this, lift it, and here you go. We are all set now. I'm going to put this one. Make sure this is very tight here. In case you see that you have a challenge here, make sure you put a kind of a small clip here. And once that is done, see, I'm trying my best. Yeah. You can even lift it like this, see. Yeah. Okay, I'm all done. I'm going to put it here. Now I'm going to put these clamps back to this one and put this one here. And the water from this AC unit will come up in this one as a condenser, and it will go and out. So thanks for watching.